You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Spanish pronunciation from Spain. Saucedo. In Spain, in central Spain in particular, the C is pronounced like TH, with TH in English, with your tongue between your teeth. Saucedo. Now, in other Spanish-speaking countries, like in South America, the C would be pronounced like an S, so Saucedo. Saucedo or Saucedo. In English, you can simply say it as Saucedo. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.